Hey there, I'm Lily O'Reilly. This is Lily O'Reilly Reviews from Quarantine, and today I'm going to tell you, now that I have cleaned it up, about the absolute worm disaster I encountered this morning. So, let's get to that, huh? Good morning, guys. It's Lily O'Reilly, and I swear to God, at some point I'll do one of these with makeup on, but I've had a critical worm bin failure. So, came out this morning, just kind of wandered around to get breakfast, looked at my worm bin, and there had been a mass exodus where the majority of my worms had attempted to escape the bin. I'm going to switch the camera and show you. As you can see, worms are absolutely coming out of the bin in droves. Those are the ones that I picked up off my counter. At some point during the night, we just had a massive worm explosion. Even I have no clue what happened here. All of the worms collectively just went, nope, we're out of here, we're done. The only thing I can think of is that at some point, something that I put into the bin during the feeding yesterday had to have caused a problem. Yesterday's feed was sweet potatoes, corn, a pancake, and that's it. Some napkins. There's nothing that should have caused this. So I'm going to get to work on tearing this down. I'm going to build a new layer because I was planning on upgrading them to a 2-layer anyway. And then I'm going to reset it with a fresh bedding layer at the bottom to give them somewhere to live while I figure out what's going on with the top. So I'm going to cut, I'll come back to that, and I'll show you what's going on after I finish collecting the worms and putting them in a Tupperware of non-chlorinated water and paper just to keep them from drying out while I do this. So not optimal, but we'll get through it. Sorry for all the wiggles, I'm doing this one-handed. But for real, there's nothing more terrifying than coming into a mass worm exodus with no clue why. My first reaction was, oh God, I must have put salt or something caustic in and they're trying to escape it. It's weirdly reassuring to realize that no, they just got a little too wet, and instead of just going for high ground, they went too far. It's fine, I can fix that. So, that's our worm update for the minute, and when I get a chance to do a more thorough check-in to build the second layer when I move it to its new home, I will run a new video and let you know then. So, sorry for another early morning no makeup video, but that's the state of the worms. And now that I've gotten everything cleaned up, if you want to find me anywhere I exist online, allmylinks.com/Lily O'Reilly. If you want to throw me $3, $30, $300 on Ko-Fi, that's all ko-fi.com/Lily O'Reilly, and I'm going to go back to micromanaging my worm farm. See you guys later.